Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm on day 2 weeks plus a day of quarantine and I'm feeling really discouraged today. It's actually a really beautiful sunny day, so I thought I could take advantage of the lighting and film a video. So we're gonna just do something nice and pretty and awake because I'm looking sallow and just tired and sad. So let's get started. I thought I'd tell you what I did with my skincare this morning. So I washed my face in the shower with this Good Molecules face bar. It's actually very gentle and it's been pretty good to my skin. I've been using it for maybe a month and no harsh breakouts to report, no dryness caused by that at least, and I'm just really happy with it. So if you've ever been interested in a face bar, try the Good Molecules one. So then I went in with a Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion cleanser exfoliant, my bad. So this looks like this, and it's super thin and sandy. And it just really, I kind of work it around my face for maybe like 5 to 10 minutes. I really do that. I like to use this part of my hand and just kind of really buff my skin. So that's the second part. And then I did a deep cleansing mask with the black tea from Fresh, and I just did a video on that, so if you haven't seen it, maybe I'll link it in one of these corners. So this is just, I just used this. It really tingled my skin and really, so I could feel that my pores were really getting cleaned. I just feel so oily and yucky from having been in the house, and it's been really helpful. So I'm feeling oily and I'm feeling dry. I decided last night to sleep with this mask on. It's a really thick sleeping mask. Let me show you the consistency. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's like a body butter almost. So that's that. But I put it all over my face and it really did bring it back to life. But this morning I thought I just really needed a deep cleanse. So that's why I used this combo. I think it's perfect. So skincare, I haven't really done anything other than put on this serum right after I used the mask. This one's from Cora. It's a vitamin C brightening serum and I really like it. That's why I put it on right away. But my skin is starting to kind of feel dry around here, which is weird for me. So I'm gonna go with this rose toner. Just a tiny bit of that. It'll wake me up again. And I'm using this Saturday Skin Eye Cream. I'm giving it another chance, but I'm not that into it. I mean, I complained yesterday on my Instagram that I thought this serum wasn't doing anything for my eyes. Lo and behold, I wake up today with like brighter eyes than normal. I know they're not that great right now, but so I'm still trying this out. It's just very, it's very light. Like it feels, I don't like the feeling. I'm picky and I don't like the feeling, okay? So right after that, I'm gonna use this. It's an eye primer and it'll take away darkness, but we might as well just use it. I'm trying to get back into liking some of my products. This is one of them. I'm going to use actually some more Good Molecules. This is the Super Peptide Serum. That was a lot, I don't need that much. I'm just gonna push that into my face to plump. I've had some pretty bad scarring and pigmentation because I can't help but pick because I'm a human. So I've started using a retinol. This one is from the Algenist. Retinol, just a little bit. Retinol works from the inside of the skin outward. Most products that I talk about on my Instagram or on this page work from the surface inwards. So this can be a little bit harsh for some people, which is why I didn't apply it directly onto my skin. I put it after a couple layers so that I had a little bit of protection in there. Beaut. I hope to go for a walk today, and I'm just preaching SPF, so I'm gonna start using a daily SPF again, and I'm gonna use my tinted moisturizer. I did a fake tan yesterday and my body is not the same as my face. Can I show you? So we need to balance, people. Okay, so now we're gonna do a little bit of makeup. I cleaned all my brushes the other day, so I'm gonna just put on my foundation with a flat stippling brush because I've always wanted to try that. The one I'm gonna use is the Huda. So I'm just gonna put a couple dots, or maybe, yeah, like a couple, to use a couple of the bronzing drops from Isle of Paradise as well. Next, I'm gonna take my Kosas concealer, just under the eyes. I don't know. That's what I'm feeling like today, people. I'm actually just gonna use the same brush for the face. The eyes, I'll use a different one. And then I also have this awesome little pen thing. Next up are lashes. I love this mascara right now. It's Tarte. Lights, Camera, Lashes, I believe. So I ordered this MAC original Share My Closet. I don't know, it's a set from MAC. It came with a bunch of products that I actually really wanted. I don't know who this girl is, sorry. But it came with all these fun things. So I'm gonna use what I can use from these. It came with this MAC eye pencil in the color Costa Riche, which I've wanted for a while because Nikki Makeup uses this all the time. And it seems like the perfect kind of brown. So I'm just gonna sort of lengthen my eyes. And I have rounder eyes, so that just means I'm gonna work in the corners. Just like a clean little brush, I'm gonna sort of soften it. That looks crazy. We're gonna soften it with a completely clean brush. I'm gonna use a denser one because the shape is not what I want at all. I'm gonna pull it in. Everything can be fixed, people. Unless you primed. I'm not going for a totally perfect look today. I don't need to. I can wash this off any second. So it also came with this color. It's called Omega. It's really good color. I used to have this actually. I would have bought it anyway. So that's two things and then I got my money worth. We're just gonna put this actually where the pencil is just to sort of hold it in place. It's just like a taupe. We're also gonna use this color to contour shortly. Now I'm gonna take a slightly bigger dense brush with that same contour color and just where my hairline is. We're not gonna do any crazy contour, just where the hairline is. You can just feel where the bone is, see? And then that's where you put the color. And it creates a shadow, also in this temple. And you want to take that into the hair, not out to the face. And then that gives you this completely open. See? Like someone should tell me to stop. No, but that's it, that's good. Next we'll use this blush. It's called Peaches. I've actually always wanted this blush too, so. You can use MAC lots of flyaways. So this just goes on the apple, and see how I'm like fake smiling so that I get like an apple? Then you color that in. Because it's me, we're gonna use bronzer. The kit didn't come with bronzer, but I'm gonna use this one from Too Faced. It's a nice matte bronzer, and then it's got like a little shimmer as well. But I kind of just swirl this whole thing together like this, and then just all over, sort of. Where I would get hit by sunlight. It did come with a fun lipstick, and I think we'll use it. First I want to put on a balm. Make sure I have nothing on my lips. This one is from Winky Lux. And this one doesn't slip or slide, so I like that. It just goes on and it stays on. Oil infused. So that's the look I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna powder a tiny bit underneath my eyes. And I'm also gonna powder just around the mouth. And in the T-zone. Cool, now it looks like I'm ready for Christmas. I'm not. But I believe this is going to be my look to go get my mail that didn't fit in my mailbox, sadly. I hope everyone's doing okay, and if you're not, send me a message. I'm pretty lonely and I would love to respond to anybody. Thanks again.